Oh!
I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too scream. I can even roll in peace, why? Everybody notice me, yeah. I can even go to sleep, why? I'm rolling on the beam.
What up, YouTube? You know what time it is, man. We finna go get some firecrackers, you heard me. We might have a... Boy, shut up, boy. We'll curse one more time, man. Anyway, y'all know what time it is, man. New Year's, we finna turn up, man. We finna go get some fireworks, you heard me. We might have some firecrackers.
Get my money, so I ain't playing, woo. I'ma punch you one good time. Come on, say.
So why you taking that man money,
Hey,
man?
lock the windows.
Pray for us, y'all. We on the bridge.
I'm not playing, say.
You had punched me, though, boy.
I don't care, say. You took my money, say.
You know what time it is, man. We gonna have a firecracker war soon, so stay tuned. It's about to be
Oh, low prices, boy. Yay!
Oh, guess where we going? Low prices.
Yeah, you know.
I'm broke as a donut, but I'm still about to pay for something.
Go back.
I got one back
there that say T price.
Nigga like to charge for gas every time.
Y'all know what time it is, man. We finna turn up.
Put y'all seatbelts on. Put y'all seatbelts. Stop playing. Stop playing.
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, the police right there. Y'all scared? Woo, stop, man, before you go to jail. You wanna go to jail today?
Yeah.
Alright.
I bet. Let me speed right quick. Stop playing with
We're
y'all.
gonna be walking too.
Who?
Us.
Man, you going with us, man.
We gonna be walking across this
Tell you.
bridge.
Hey, real talk though, man. We finna go get these fireworks. They got something over there. Right there. Fireworks. This is the one I go to. Yeah. Y'all ready for them fireworks?
Watch when we get out the car, I'm gonna show you.
They supposed to be setting all year. Punching you, boy.
Watch. I'm gonna hit you with this money.
I'm knowing they make about 50,000 a year.
Cussing, son. You don't know when them stop cussing, woo. You making me mad.
Y'all know what time it is. We finna get these fireworks, you heard me? We finna have this firework war soon.
Oh, that's the one that got that gumbo? I mean...
Woo, stop running, man. Yeah. Woo, stop touching it. Y'all know what time it is, man. We finna get these fireworks. It's about to be lit. Stay tuned. What? Woo, what you got in there, man?
I'ma go broke.
You got some dynamites?
Yeah.
Ooh, get you some, man. Hey, no, get the good ones, man. Y'all get not them, the other ones, the black cats.
No, boy, ain't no black cats.
What?
Set the whole street up. Set the whole street up.
Y'all trying to kill somebody, man. Hey, get another one.
Hey, we got to run in a bend the house. So we got to go in a blend the house.
Oh, you know the one over there on 44?
Yeah, we go in there and blow it up.
Yeah. Hold up, no.
No more of these.
Oh, yeah. Give me some. Give me like 2 of them.
I already know what you about to do.
Give me 2 of them.
Get 2 of these.
Yeah.
No, these niggas gonna be able to do it.
Yeah, I'm putting
You don't be
that.
getting blisters on your head?
No.
I did it one time.
Let me see.
Get this.
We already got them. We already got them.
No, man, bro. Pop my own.
All right. You want your own? All right, hold up. I'm about to get another roll like this. How much this?
Hold these in your hand. $12.
What that is? Them poppers?
Oh, you put them in the thing?
Man, them things look like they gonna blow somebody's hand off, man. Boy, what you got there, man?
Dude, I just got it. I see you can hold it.
Is that a firecracker, bro?
I don't know, but...
Man, that's a sword, man. What you gonna do? Stick it in your ass, man? You tripping.
Yeah,
Man, you gay. That man tripping. Hey, real talk though, man. It's finna be lit. I'm finna get some of these smoke bombs.
That man over there?
Yeah.
He said, this is the best.
So what is this?
I don't know, but I know.
Whoa, you want this?
Yeah.
I bet.
Some big time.
That boy finna turn up, man. Hey, real
You got them
talk.
torpedoes.
You got them torpedoes?
Yeah, we need buku.
Hey, hold up, man.
This though.
Hold up.
We had to go somewhere else to get dynamite.
Yeah, we do.
This for this though. Come on.
Hey, no, put that up. Put that up.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna buy this.
No, cause them not. No, dude. Who you trying to pop a tank?
This it for this though.
Alright, y'all stay tuned, man. Woo, you ready, bro?
Yeah, I got some dynamite in me, pay for my own. Now me a grow me, now me got all the money.
Yeah. My boy finna pop some. Yeah, woo.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. That boy ready to. Hey, hold up. You about to get hit. Come here. You about to get hit by the damn car, boy. You tripping. Y'all ready, man? Boy, you about to get hit by the car, man. You tripping. Hey, look, man, we finna pop these fireworks. It's up. It's up.
Open the trunk.
My boy, Woo ready, huh?
Yay.
Come on, son. How you gonna do it? Expect us to open it. Woo.
Man, you supposed to open it, man. You tripping, bro.
How you gotta put that up there with you, bro?
Woo, you ready?
Yeah,
Yay.
Yay.
My boy, go down.
Open the door, Ronnie.
What you mean open the door? Y'all, man, it's finna be lit. We finna go turn up, man. Y'all know what time it is.
We gonna go and fight.
We gotta go.
Yay!
Gang, gang.
Turn up. What?
We gotta go to the other one.
Alright, gang.
And there was whooping all that big stuff in there.
Not put no
It don't got $1.
Yeah, man.
And all that stuff went on me. That's you with all that big ass
Who?
You.
Not me.
You put that stuff in there, Woo?
No.
Then who did? The ghost?
I this mug good, boy.
He said you put it in there, Mark.
Trey had did that. No, him. Busy.
Oh, that was just you got one of them big old.
Man, no more.
What's the pettier game?
Hurry up, man.
Now, Trey gonna ball.
Pull close, son.
Alright, hold up. Let me start recording. Alright, come on. Light it up.
You don't see my step.
Down, Woo! Down, Woo! Oh! Ah! Oh! Man, no!
I'll show you, Woo. He's shooting at people, man.
You gotta shoot him back!
Man,
Shoot him back!
Diddy, don't play no more, man.
Hey, open this.
Hey, don't shoot no more, Diddy, because I ain't playing with y'all. I'm not shooting that.
Go shoot Woo! Shoot Woo! Bow! What? No, we good. We finna leave.
Come on, y'all.
Hey, hold this.
Come on.
Hold this. Get the business. Put this up.
The big one's back here. Do one of them.
No, not that one. I'm talking about the other one.
Hey, hurry up, dude. You don't know what to...
Hold on, this one right here. This the one I was shooting on, D.
We gotta take off. Throw it over there.
Stop, Woo.
He don't know what to do with fireworks, man. He's shooting
Hey.
at people instead of in the house. Let's turn the car around the other way first.
All right, hold up. No, I got it. I'm gonna do some Grand Theft Auto.
Let me get one.
Y'all ready?
Hey, lay the up.
I know, I got it.
I'm gonna throw this in our whoop.
Hey, hold on, man.
Say something.
Man.
Man, Woo, shut
He
up.
don't even like that.
Man.
Shut up, Woo.
Go.
There was about 500.
Put it on you.
Oh, he recording, son. He recording. Go. Hey, he recording. Go right. And then go through the...
He said I'm gonna call the police.
This shit. No, have to start recording.
You know what time it
See, we can get him, but the police gonna get us.
is. What, you scared, man?
Who's scared? Y'all heard all that action?
Yeah.
Hey, throw something out the window.
That be more got scared when Woo got the popping them.
Man, he was shooting under the car where the gas fuel at.
Let me.
Man, whoa, you a dumbass. What if this car would have blew up?
Man, you good, man? That man was shooting in the air, huh, Woo?
Hey, you know how dumb this dude get? Son, this dude shot through the door and the thing fell in there.
So you shooting in the car now, Woo?
He been shooting in the car.
You tripping, little Woo? Hey, y'all know what time it is, though. We finna go light these other fireworks, man. We finna turn up. Y'all know what time it is. This the end of the vlog, bro.
We can have everything on the vlog.
Don't pop one in here, Woo. For your
You
ass.
taking slow, man. You said pop one in here? you better get on these and shoot me with it. Sound my life. Oh, DJ Grave on make you cry. What?
Man, leave Woo alone, man. You tripping,
Oh,
bro.
yeah, he put that on my cousin life. You better do it. He shoot you.
Hey, look, man, y'all stay tuned though. Man, dude, what you doing? No, dude, turn that light up. You tripping, bro?
Them not loud.
Man, still, man, you can't be doing that around here, man.
See, this my hood. I gotta be like this 3 times. Don't worry about it.
Hey, look, man. Y'all stay tuned though, man. I'm gonna have some more vlogs coming soon, bro.
What you said?
Yeah, that's gang.